The American Public Power Association is pleased to present the 2018 winners of awards for outstanding public power utilities and leaders. The James D. Donovan Individual Achievement Award recognizes individuals who have made significant contributions to public power. There are 4 winners this year. Frederick Bryant served as General Counsel for the Florida Municipal Power Agency and the Florida Municipal Electric Association from the 1970s to his retirement earlier this year. He is a nationally recognized expert on the legal aspects of creating a joint action agency. He provided counsel to create FMPA in 1978. He also helped public power utilities in other states as they created their joint action agencies. In his 4 decades of service, Frederick represented Florida's public power electric utilities on critical issues before the Florida legislature, state agencies, the governor, and the Florida Supreme Court. He also represented utilities at federal courts and before the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission.
Duncan Kinchlow is the President, General Manager, and CEO of the Missouri Public Utility Alliance. In 2002, he authored an amendment to the state constitution facilitating public power joint action and managed a campaign for its statewide voter approval. In 2014, he chaired the board and served as acting president during management restructuring at Prairie State Generating Company. He chaired the board of the Transmission Access Policy Studies Group from 2014 to 2016. Duncan also started an annual MPUA Reliable Public Power Provider Workshop, which has helped Missouri utilities earn 13 RP3 designations. Duncan is a member of the American Public Power Association's Legislative and Resolutions Committee and a staunch advocate for PowerPack.
Mark Redeman was CEO of Energy Northwest from 2010 to 2018. Under his leadership, the Columbia Generating Station set nuclear generation records from 2012 to 2014 and again in 2016. Mark was active on numerous boards, including the Nuclear Energy Institute, the Association of Washington Business, the Tri-City Development Council, and the United Way of Benton and Franklin counties. Energy Northwest has been recognized nationally by Power Magazine and Victory Media. In 2016, Energy Northwest won the Employer of the Year award from the Association of Washington Business. Mark remains a passionate supporter of excellence in the electric industry.
Walter Wally Schlink began his public power career working on the front lines as a journeyman maintenance technician. He became Director of Power Resources and Customer Relations at Rochester Public Utilities in Minnesota. Wally's roots allowed him to relate to employees at all levels while instilling a sense of pride and commitment to customer service. He retired from RPU in March, leaving a legacy of mentorship and collaboration. He was active with the Southern Minnesota Municipal Power Agency and served on many working groups. He has served on the American Public Power Association's Board of Directors. He chaired the association's Deed Board and its Engineering and Operations section.
The Alan Richardson Statesmanship Award honors public power leaders who work to achieve consensus on national issues important to public power utilities. Ted Rampton, Chief Government Affairs Officer of the Utah Associated Municipal Power Systems, has advocated on local, state, and federal issues for more than 35 years. He has been on multiple American Public Power Association committees, including the Power Marketing Administration Task Force and the Legislative and Resolutions Committee. He chaired the association's advisory committee from 2009 to 2012. Ted has been active with the Northwest Public Power Association advocating for key initiatives like small modular nuclear reactors. He was elected to the NWPPA Board of Trustees in 2016 as an advisor to the board. He became president of the Colorado River Energy Distributors Association in 2018. He brings an effective voice to public power issues.
The Larry Hobart 7 Hats Award recognizes managers of small utilities serving fewer than 2,500 meters. These managers have a very small staff and must wear 7 hats: planning and design, administration, public relations, field supervision, accounting, human resources, and community leadership. There are 5 winners in 2018. Tom Kane has served as Public Works Director for Howard Municipal Utilities in Iowa since 1997. He helped convert the utility's overhead distribution system to an underground one. He also helped to plan and design HMU's telecommunications system. Tom is described by employees as the face of Howard and keeps his community well informed using web, social, and traditional media. He works closely with the city administrator and finance officer to keep each project on budget. He supervises more than 20 employees and instills a great work ethic and passion for community in each one of them.
Bernard Puder-Linney oversees planning, design, and finances for electric, water, and wastewater utilities as operations manager for Troy Utilities in Indiana. Pooter plays an important role in many town projects. He leads by example and is often out in the field working with other employees. He helps put together a newsletter for Troy Electric customers. He helped the town secure several grants for infrastructure and community improvements. Pooter has been part of the Troy Volunteer Fire Department for more than 32 years and served as the fire chief for 18 years.
Bruce A. Metz is the village administrator for Jackson Center Municipal Electric System in Ohio. About 40 years ago, he joined the village as a member of the Streets Department. He works with engineers, contractors, and department heads to make sure that projects stay on course. Bruce takes on a range of tasks, answering questions from residents, overseeing new projects, or visiting job sites to check on progress and hear from supervisors and employees. He prepares the annual village appropriation budget and works with each department head to plan for the future. Bruce attends monthly safety meetings and quarterly trainings for the electric department. He is active in many community organizations and has been with the Volunteer Fire Department for 24 years, including 8 as fire chief.
Merle Page has been city manager for the city of Wamego in Kansas since 1996. He has led planning and design of the electric, water, and wastewater systems, as well as many community improvement projects. He is a hands-on manager and keeps a close eye on all city programs. Merle communicates regularly with local citizens and customers on a personal basis, plays an active role in publishing the Wamego City newsletter, and works to make the city's website useful. He works with department heads, the city clerk, and the city treasurer on the city budget each year. He is treasurer for the Wamego Hospital Board and an ambassador for the Wamego Chamber of Commerce.
Patrick Weber has been the utility manager of Eagle River Light and Water in Wisconsin since 2009. Before that, he was an electrician and electric crew member in the same community. He oversees 3 utility departments and strives to ensure that his employees have the training and resources to be successful. He manages all customer relations, including customer conservation and education programs. He is a journeyman line technician and can often be found working alongside his line crew. Patrick is a member of WPPI Energy's board of directors. A passionate hockey fan, he served as president of the Eagle River Recreation Association for many years. He recently retired after 26 years as chief of the Eagle River Fire Department.
The Harold Kramer John Preston Personal Service Award recognizes individuals for their service to the American Public Power Association. There are 3 winners in 2018. Jane Cirincione has been a public power advocate for more than 20 years. She is the Assistant General Manager for Legislative and Regulatory Affairs of the Northern California Power Agency. She has served on the American Public Power Association's Legislative and Resolutions Committee since 2001 and was the chair in 2014. To get her members involved in federal advocacy, Jane started the NCPA Federal Policy Conference held every April in Washington, D.C. She is active in the California Municipal Utilities Association, where she serves as an alternate for the board and is regularly engaged with CMUA's Legislative and Regulatory Committee. Jane previously worked in government relations at the American Public Power Association.
Chris Gent is Vice President of Corporate Communications at Kissimmee Utility Authority in Florida, where he has worked since 1993. Chris has served in leadership roles in the utility industry at the local, state, and national level. He has been chair of the American Public Power Association's Customer Connections section and the Public Communications Committee. He presents often at the association's National Conference, Business and Financial Conference, and Customer Connections Conference on customer service, public communications, and key accounts. KUA has earned 10 Excellence in Public Power Communications Awards and 5 Annual Report Awards from the association. Overall, under Chris's leadership, KUA has won more than 300 local, state, national, and international communication awards for public relations programs, special events, community relations, and publications.
Amy Zubili is the Executive Director of the Florida Municipal Electric Association and has previously been the Director of Public Affairs and Deputy Director of Public Affairs and Strategic Communications. She has been active in the American Public Power Association for 18 years. Amy is a member of the association's Advisory Committee and Legislative and Resolutions Committee. She also serves on the association's Mutual Aid Working Group. Amy is recognized as Florida's public power expert and is routinely called on by state and national media for her insights on the electric utility industry. She played a major role in Public Power's mutual aid response to Hurricanes Irma and Maria in 2017.
The Spence Van der Linden Public Official Award recognizes elected or appointed local officials who have contributed to the American Public Power Association. There are 2 winners this year. Patrick Kolstad has been active in the American Public Power Association for more than 16 years. He is a member of the City Council for Santa Clara, California, and has helped the local electric utility, Silicon Valley Power, become a nationally recognized leader. He has advocated for public power on the federal level, often traveling to Washington, D.C. to participate in the American Public Power Association's legislative rally. He advocates with members of the Bay Area congressional delegation. He encourages his city council colleagues, city staff, and fellow commissioners for the Northern California Power Agency to participate in the association's conferences and stay on top of public power policy issues.
Michael A. Perry Jr. is a board member at Fort Pierce Utilities Authority in Florida. He has been participating in federal and state public power activities since 2010. He was chair of the Florida Municipal Power Agency Policymakers Liaisons Committee from 2015 to 2017. Michael was appointed to the American Public Power Association Policymakers Council in 2016 and advocates to protect the interests of public power customers in federal legislation. Earlier, Michael was a heavy equipment operator for 20 years, working on nuclear and fossil fuel power plant construction and maintenance, including the St. Lucie Nuclear Power Plant and the Treasure Coast Energy Center in Florida.
The Robert E. Roundtree Rising Star Award is a scholarship presented to future leaders in public power. The recipient receives a stipend to travel to an association conference or training to advance their public power education and development. David Hubbard has been the power supply manager for New Braunfels Utilities in Texas since 2017. He has done exceptional work to advance NBU's goals. He revived several dormant initiatives at the utility and helped negotiate pivotal power purchases that saved customers money and protected NBU from market instability. David developed performance metrics to keep the board informed of the utility's power portfolio in a clear and concise manner. He played a major role in the creation of NBU's Energy Conservation Division and customer rebate programs. He has received many accolades in the community, including the New Braunfels Chamber of Commerce's 40 Under 40 Award. David is always willing to take on additional roles.
The Mark Cresson Leadership and Managerial Excellence Award recognizes public power managers who steer their organizations to new levels of excellence, lead by example, and inspire staff to do better. There are 2 winners for 2018. James C. Moynihan has been General Manager of North Attleboro Electric Department in Massachusetts since 2005. He has invested in utility performance and system improvement through benchmarking with the American Public Power Association. Under his leadership, NAED has won several awards and earned the association's RP3 or Reliable Public Power Provider designation 5 times. James spearheaded the construction of 2 new distribution circuits. He implemented new technologies to improve system reliability and customer service. He has designed new customer rates that include an annual customer credit. He is always learning in the trenches and inspiring his team with his own passion to move the utility forward.
Dolores Slatcher has been a proponent and leader of public power in Delaware since its beginnings in the state. She was the city manager for the City of Seaford Electric Utility for 38 years and led her utility to receive multiple RP3 designations. Her strong leadership has inspired innovation in generation, distribution, energy efficiency, renewables, and technology. Dolores was a founding member of the state's only joint action agency, the Delaware Municipal Electric Corporation, established in 1979. She was the agency's president and vice president, and since 2008 has served as chair of the board. She has been engaged with the American Public Power Association since 1993.
The E.F. Scattergood System Achievement Award honors utilities with outstanding accomplishments. There are 3 winners in 2018. Burlington Electric Department in Vermont is driven by the mission to meet customers' energy needs in a safe, reliable, affordable, and socially responsible manner. Burlington is among the first cities in the country to source 100% of its power from renewables. BED has also developed energy efficiency programs that have become a model around the world. The utility provides Burlington homes, businesses, municipal buildings, and schools with a range of energy efficiency solutions that have been saving the city energy and money for 28 years now. BED is committed to its core values: safety, integrity, community, engagement, and innovation. The utility plans to continue to deliver exceptional customer care by enhancing personal service and increasing engagement across multiple channels.
Emerald Peoples Utility District in Eugene, Oregon has deep community roots. Formed by a vote of the people in 1978, Emerald has made service to the community its primary strategic goal. The PUD has a variety of initiatives to enhance value and service to customers. Its Sharing Sun Community Solar program brings solar energy to homes without the maintenance and replacement worries of customer-sided solar. The Green Grant Program offers up to $40,000 annually to help fund renewable energy projects in the community. Emerald has rolled out an innovative software system to track customer energy efficiency projects and conduct energy audits, which has lowered administrative costs. True to its name, the People's Utility District puts people first and keeps them involved in running the PUD they own.
Sterling Municipal Light Department in Massachusetts focuses on its mission to provide clean and reliable power at a reasonable price while leveraging technological advances that can benefit customers. Sterling's first-of-its-kind 3.9 megawatt-hour battery storage system won multiple awards, including the Grid Tech Edge Award for one of the nation's top 20 projects. The project was runner-up in public voting for the Energy Storage North America Award. A Leading by Example award from the Commonwealth of Massachusetts recognized Sterling's energy efficiency improvements to municipal buildings that resulted in a 15% decrease in energy costs. Recently, the utility implemented new geographic information and outage management systems without incurring any debt.
The Community Service Award recognizes utilities for their good neighbor activities that demonstrate commitment to the local community. 3 utilities are receiving this award in 2018. American Samoa Power Authority is driven by a zeal to serve the community. The authority's Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics school program was developed to build a STEM-ready and competitive workforce. This program aims to inspire the next generation of public power utility workers. The multi-pronged effort includes in-school work with science fairs and math contests, career day presentations, and professional development training for school teachers and other community members. The STEM program helps the utility build strong relationships with customers and the community.
New Braunfels Utilities in Texas is charged by its mission to enhance the quality of life in the community through innovative services. In 2014, the utility launched an exhibit at a local children's museum. The goal was to engage children in water and energy conservation, encouraging good habits at an early age. NBU's popular mascot, Bucky the Bucket Truck, guides visitors through a model home with interactive displays to help them think about consumption and conservation. The exhibit also features an interactive touchscreen video game. By tapping into the museum's 85,000 annual visitors, NBU has been able to reach adults and children alike with critical conservation messages.
SMUD has worked to make life better for the Sacramento, California community for more than 70 years by keeping its customers at the heart of everything it does. The utility has a variety of community programs. SMUD Cares is a program through which employees can give back, monetarily or by volunteering time or skills to help in the community. In 2017, the utility rolled out the Shine Sponsorship Program to build community alliances, enhance and revitalize neighborhoods, and support community partners. Also, SMUD's Powering Future scholarships offer $60,000 in college scholarships to up to 21 local students.
The American Public Power Association's Demonstration of Energy and Efficiency Development's Research and Development Program nurtures innovation in public power. The program's Energy Innovator Award recognizes innovative utility projects. There are 3 winners this year. Braintree Electric Light Department in Massachusetts has launched one of Public Power's first electric vehicle marketing programs. The program leverages social media marketing and grassroots tactics to encourage use of electric vehicles. Since the start of the program, electric vehicle owners in the community have increased from 10 to 55. The community boasts the highest electric vehicle per capita adoption rate among area municipalities with similar demographics. The adoption rates are similar to those in significantly more affluent areas. Braintree's Bring Your Own Charger program provides incentives to customers who charge during off-peak hours, mitigating the impact on the peak load.
CPS Energy in San Antonio, Texas implemented several initiatives under its Save Now program, including free home energy assessments, home energy kits, in-store rebates with major retailers throughout the community, and a multi-family energy efficiency program. Save Now is financially structured to enable more customers than ever before to participate. The new low to no cost offerings are helping San Antonio's lower to middle income families implement energy efficiency measures. CPS is well on its way to achieve its Save for Tomorrow energy plan goal of saving 771 megawatts by 2020.
The New York Power Authority is using new technology and novel approaches to manage aging assets. It is installing new hardware, software, and processes in following best practices. At the core of the effort is the collection of data from more than 24,000 sensors that monitor all of NYPA's generation and transmission assets. This asset management system alerts NYPA staff early to anomalies and faults that, if left unchecked, could damage equipment or cause outages. The new system has improved efficiency and enhanced situational awareness, resulting in more than $3 million in savings.
9 individuals have completed the American Public Power Association Academy's Public Power Manager Certificate Program. To earn this certificate, participants must complete 3 required courses and develop a plan that identifies and addresses an issue, challenge, or opportunity within his or her organization. This year's graduates are Sandy Edgman, Business Services Manager, City of Richland, Washington. Christina Keller, Office Manager, Lewis Board of Public Works, Delaware. Robert Miller, General Manager of Engineering, Transmission, Maintenance, and Compliance, City of Monroe, North Carolina. Ry Mazzarelli, Senior Electrical Engineer, City of Gillette Utilities, Wyoming. Andy Anesti, Power Supply Manager, Manitowoc Public Utilities, Wisconsin. Alicia Price, General Manager, Greenville Electric Utility System, Texas. Jaron Purdy, Director of Electric System Control, Kansas City Board of Public Utilities, Kansas. Alan Putnam, Managing Director, Beaches Energy Services, Jacksonville Beach, Florida. And Takan Singh, Electrical Utility Manager, City of Lompoc, California.
10 individuals have completed the American Public Power Association Academy's Public Power Governance Certificate Program. To earn the certificate, participants must complete coursework and an exam on board and city council duties and responsibilities, performance monitoring, and strategic planning. The 2018 graduates are Chris Campos, Director of Communications and Public Relations, Clarksdale Public Utilities, Mississippi. Freddie Davis, Commissioner, Clarksdale Public Utilities, Mississippi. James Hicks, Commissioner, Clarksdale Public Utilities, Mississippi. James Humber, Commissioner, Clarksdale Public Utilities, Mississippi. Daryl Johnson, Utility Committee Member, Lakeland Electric, Florida. Mark Johnson, General Manager, Clarksdale Public Utilities, Mississippi. Christy Labs, Assistant to President and CEO, Omaha Public Power District, Nebraska. Donald Mitchell, Commissioner, Clarksdale Public Utilities, Mississippi. Steve Reed, Chief Financial Officer, Clarksdale Public Utilities, Mississippi. And Kim Tracy, Corporate Secretary, Omaha Public Power District, Nebraska.
The Alex Radin Distinguished Service Award is the American Public Power Association's highest award, recognizing exceptional leadership and dedication to public power. Douglas Hunter has been a public power stalwart for 38 years. He is the CEO and General Manager of the Utah Associated Municipal Power Systems. As chair of the American Public Power Association in 2015, he helped the association adopt its first comprehensive 3-year strategic plan. Led by Doug's vision, UAMPS has implemented a novel, carbon-free power project that includes what could be the nation's first small modular nuclear reactor project. Doug's collaborative leadership style has resulted in an outstanding partnership with the U.S. Department of Energy, the Nuclear Regulatory Commission, the Idaho National Laboratory, state governments, and many world-class private vendors and suppliers. In 2017, Doug was awarded the Energy Pioneer Award by Utah Governor Gary Herbert during the annual Governor's Energy Summit. Doug has been progressive and forward-thinking, encouraging and helping public power to keep up with rapidly changing technologies and regulation. He is committed to helping customers realize that electricity is the invisible fabric that holds our communities together. Congratulations to all our 2018 award recipients.